Alright, quick pro tip for you. So far, we formatted our source data as a table to make our formulas easier to write and to read. But there is another step that we can take to make it even easier. Let's take this cell for example. This cell represents the region that I want to filter my dashboard by. So I'm going to be referencing this cell in a lot of my formulas. However, right now, as far as Excel is concerned, the reference for this cell is B3 in the Data Prep tab. But what we can actually do is change this to something much more intuitive. So instead of B3, we can call this region. And what that does is define a name in Excel's name manager and assigns this reference to that name. So if I go to formulas and open up the name manager, you'll see that we have our data table and we have this region that right now is equal to Los Angeles and refers to cell B3 in the Data Prep tab. So if I close this, I can do the same for the rest of my filter values. So instead of B8, we can call this current year, current month, previous year, and previous month. And now what we can do is replace these normal cell references with the new names. So instead of B9, call it current month. And you'll see that Excel will provide these for us, so we can just select them and tab over. Let's do the same here. Current month, press enter, and let's just continue to swap these out. So B8 is now the current year, and that applies here as well. And in fact, if I step back into this formula, look at how much easier it is to read now. We're calculating the max month whenever the year is equal to the current year. And trust me, this is just scratching the surface here, but in the next lecture, you're going to see just how handy these are going to be.